Hi guys, I'm Paul. In this video I'm going to deep dive into Injective, the blockchain built for finance, and I'm going to explain how many Injective I think you'll need to be a millionaire, and I'll also give my detailed price prediction for the next bull run. I will cover Injective's tokenomics, as well as key points to consider, and the future outlook for the Injective network. I will also compare Injective and Uniswap's ecosystems, so keep watching to see which network comes out on top. The information in this video is meant for education and entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Okay, now let's begin. About Injective. Injective is a decentralized layer 1 blockchain. Its fast transaction speed allows for high frequency trading, and Injective's infrastructure makes it easy to adopt AI technology. At the center of the platform is the Injective Hub, which allows DeFi users to take advantage of its main features, including staking rewards, token swaps, and governance proposals. And the Injective protocol is lightning quick, being able to handle over 10,000 transactions per second, and also has a very low transaction cost of less than a penny. Injective's main use cases are to enable decentralized financial applications like trading platforms and exchanges to utilize its Web3 and AI, therefore increasing the exchange's efficiency and accessibility using its complex AI algorithms. INJ is the native cryptocurrency token of the Injective blockchain and has many use cases, including staking, which secures the Injective protocol and enables token holders to earn rewards, a governance token, which allows holders to vote on changes to the future development of the platform, and also developer incentives, whereby 40% of all fees generated by users using the decentralized applications on Injective go directly to incentivizing new developers to continue to build on the Injective blockchain. Injective was founded in 2018 by Eric Chen and Albert Chon. Eric Chen was a venture partner at Innovating Capital before starting Injective, and Albert Chon was a software development engineer at Amazon. A fun fact to mention is in March 2021, Injective Protocol acquired a Banksy artwork screen print titled Morons White for $95,000, and the company then broadcast live on Twitter the artwork being burnt and destroyed, which made the national news. It was then made into an NFT and later sold for $380,000. Injective's all-time high price at time of recording is $45. Injective Supply and Tokenomics. The Injective protocol launched with a total supply of 100 million tokens and has a current circulating supply of around 83 million tokens, which means that over 80% of Injective tokens are now in circulation, which is a good sign for investors. Alongside the great tokenomics, what makes Injective stand out is they launched the Injective Burn Auction, and the way it works is 60% of the trading fees paid by users are collected by Injective. Then each week an auction is held to allow community members to bid in INJ tokens for the basket of trading fees which were collected. At the end of the auction, the winning bidder receives the total collected assets for that week, and the winning bid amount in INJ tokens is then burned. By burning tokens, this basically removes tokens from the overall token supply forever, so it can potentially increase the value of INJ tokens for holders over the long term. INJ Burn 2.0 mechanism, which launched in August 2023, went one step further to the burn auction by allowing all dApps built on Injective to contribute to the INJ Burn auction with no limit to how much of their fees they want to burn, therefore extending the benefits of the token burn to a wider network of protocols. The INJ token is primarily used as a utility token on the network and has the following main use cases, including transaction fees, where users can use the tokens to pay for transaction fees on the network. For staking, users can stake INJ tokens to help secure the network and earn rewards for doing so. Governance. Token holders have the right to vote on various future updates or upgrades, and to avoid spam, users must deposit 500 INJ tokens to the proposal to be eligible to be voted on. Developer incentives. 40% of all fees generated by users using the decentralized applications on Injective go directly to incentivizing new developers to continue to build on the Injective blockchain. The initial token distribution of the Injective protocol is as follows. 17% is allocated to private sale, 20% is allocated to team, 2% is allocated to advisors, 36% is allocated to ecosystem development, 10% is allocated to community growth, 9% is allocated to Binance Launchpad, and lastly, 6% is allocated to seed sale. The Injective Volan upgrade. Injective announced on January 11, 2024 what is probably the largest mainnet upgrade in the Layer 1 blockchain's history, the Injective Volan upgrade, which includes enhanced blockchain scalability, introduces novel burn capabilities, and also other groundbreaking enhancements. One of the key developments is the introduction of a new permissioned gateway for institutions called the Real World Asset Module, enabling them to easily launch or access products and real world assets, and the launch comes at the same time as the Bitcoin Spot ETF went live, which couldn't have been better timing. Some of the key components of the upgrade include interoperability expansion, introduces an enhanced iteration of the inter-blockchain communication protocol, which eliminates the need for users to navigate through multiple steps when making cross-chain transactions, enabling a more seamless and efficient experience. Enhanced enterprise-grade scalability. This enterprise API's upgrade reduces latency by up to 90% for institutional users, and the result is a boost to efficiency and speed. Token economics optimizations mean that Injective have modified its on-chain inflation parameters, making the INJ token deflationary over time, which can potentially reduce inflation to near zero in the long term, which is huge. Lastly, the token burn enhancements provides the ability to burn any bank token generated on Injective, and it's important to note that this upgrade was requested by the Injective community. The Injective Ecosystem. The Injective Ecosystem covers a wide variety of financial sectors, including dApps, builders, and partners. We can see a wide range of dApp projects available on Injective, including Helix, which is a premier decentralized order book crypto exchange for trading assets and derivatives. Next, we have Black Panther, an innovative asset management protocol that states on their website they are designed to help users achieve superior returns on their digital assets. In the NFT marketplace, we have Talis Protocol, which is the first native NFT marketplace building on Injective, focusing on the NFT Fi ecosystem. Finally, in the data sector, there are a range of companies using Injective, including Google Cloud, who are using Injective to integrate their Google Cloud's data exchange platform called the Analytics Hub. Key points of Injective. Injective has several benefits that make it a great layer 1 blockchain, including decentralization. The Injective protocol is fully decentralized with all transactions completed on the blockchain, which ensures full transparency. High speed. The Injective protocol is one of the fastest decentralized exchanges on the market, being able to process up to 10,000 transactions per second. Low transaction fees. Transaction fees on the Injective protocol are very low when compared to centralized exchanges. The Injective burn auction. Burning the winning bid amount in INJ tokens from the weekly auction removes them from circulating supply and potentially increases its value of the tokens for investors over the long term. Staking rewards. The rewards for staking your tokens is currently around 16%, which makes it very appealing for investors and holders, which in turn helps secure the Injective ecosystem. Injective versus Uniswap. When comparing the decentralized exchanges of Injective and Uniswap, one key difference is that Uniswap uses an automated market maker, which relies heavily on liquidity, whereas Injective protocol uses an order book model, which offers the advantages of being more efficient and transparent. As the chart shows, I looked at the following areas of transaction speed, total value locked, asset availability, and current market caps. And starting with transaction speeds, Injective can process up to 10,000 transactions per second, which makes it a lot faster than Uniswap, who can process on average just 15 to 20 transactions per second. The total value locked can help us determine the value, health, and trustworthiness of an ecosystem. And at the time of writing, using data from DeFi Llama, Uniswap currently has over 4.4 billion total value locked, and Injective has just 41.8 million total value locked, showing that Uniswap is currently the activity leader when it comes to total value locked. When it comes to assets available, Injective offers crypto, stocks, and prediction trading, whereas Uniswap offers just ERC20 token trading. Finally, when comparing current market caps, Injective has a current market cap of around 3.1 billion at the time of writing, compared to Uniswap's 4.4 billion market cap, making Uniswap slightly ahead in terms of current market value. To conclude, when it comes to transaction speed and asset offerings, Injective is the clear winner for me and lives up to being one of the fastest layer 1 blockchains for finance in the market. But Uniswap is the more established DEX currently in the market with a larger ecosystem and market cap. Injective Partnerships. Injective announced in October 2023 a big development with its integration into Google Cloud, the leading cloud computing services company, where it will be integrated into Google Cloud's data exchange platform called the Analytics Hub. More recently, in January 2024, blockchain giant Icon announced it will integrate with Injective through the Cosmos Inter-Blockchain Communication Protocol, which is basically an open source protocol that handles the authentication of data between blockchains, enabling the entities to exchange data, messages, and tokens. Icon stated on their foundation website that integration between Icon and Injective brings a new era of possibilities for builders who are seeking to build cross-chain applications. By bridging the two robust blockchains, developers can now access Injective's wide range of functionalities in a more interconnected environment, and users can expect a more seamless DeFi experience. This integration is a catalyst to foster innovation and drive the growth of DeFi space. As well as the recent partnerships mentioned, it should be noted that Injective are backed by some major investors in the space, including Binance, Jump Crypto, Pantera Capital, and also Mark Cuban, the billionaire investor who features on the ABC TV show Shark Tank. How many INJ to be a millionaire in the next bull run? Okay, so before we look at the price prediction for Injective in the next bull run, let's remind ourselves of Injective's previous all-time high price, which was $45. This price gave it a market cap at the time of around 3.7 billion. With this information about the previous market cap and all-time high price, let's now look at the current market cap of Cardano to give some perspective in terms of possible market cap potential returns in the next bull run. As we can see, Cardano was able to get to a market cap high of around 90 billion in the last bull market. And even though past performance is no guarantee of future results, on the conservative end of my price prediction, if Injective could increase its market cap to around 41 billion, this would give Injective a price of $500. On the higher end of my price prediction, if Injective was able to get to a market cap of around 50 billion, which is still a fraction of Cardano's market cap high in last bull run of 90 billion, this would give it a price of $600. I believe a price of between $500 to $600 INJ is possible in the next bull run. But how many Injective would you need to be a millionaire in the next bull run? Using CoinStats, a crypto profit calculator, if we enter the current price and the predicted sell price of $500, we can see it would require a significant investment of $77,000 at today's price to get to the $1 million mark in the next bull run. If we do the same again, but this time set the sell price at the very high end of our price target prediction of $600, you would need an investment of around $64,000 at today's price to get to the $1 million mark in the next bull run. At the $500 price prediction, you would need to buy around 2,000 INJ tokens, which is an investment of $77,000 at today's price to become a millionaire in the next bull run. At the very high end of our $600 price prediction, you would need to buy around 1,678 INJ tokens, which is an investment of $47,000 at today's price to become a millionaire in the next bull run. Injective future outlook. I believe Injective's future outlook looks exciting, with it having recently broken into the top 30 crypto coins on CoinMarketCap, and with its strong tokenomics of over 80% of INJ tokens now in circulation. This I feel will make it appealing to investors. Injective is also ideally placed as an AI solution, as its financial foundation allows for it to incorporate AI technology easily into its systems, therefore enabling AI adoption for trading across a range of marketplaces. With all this said, I think Injective has an impressive blockchain technology. Its fast transaction speed allows for high frequency trading, and Injective's infrastructure makes it easy to adopt AI technology in the future. So I look forward to watching to see how Injective can continue to innovate and gain adoption over the next few years. As always, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, I think you'll like this video next, and please be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay notified when I post my next video. Thank you.